Feedback questions are one of the top things that we hear from you. So here are 6 specific ways to stretch them. No vague advice, just the actual habits. I'm using a site I built, Tidal Wave Aquatics, to show each one. Tip number 1, and the biggest one, know what's free before you prompt anything. For the first one, you'll want to select the Edit tab at the top of your screen. Click any image, and you'll see Replace, Modify, Delete, Add as a reference, and Edit with AI. This Edit with AI option is the one that will cost credits. Text works the same way. Bold, italics, color, size, font, alignment, all of these are free. No sparkle button needed. A huge amount of what people prompt for doesn't actually need a prompt at all. Tip 2. Vague prompts cost way more back and forth than specific ones. This forces Airo AI Builder to guess, ask you to clarify, and guess again. What you want to do is give Airo a specific version. The prompt that I just gave it says, the contact form isn't sending emails when users click submit. Fields should include name, email, message, and send to hello@business.com. This provides the exact symptom with the exact fix, where, what, and how it should look every time that you prompt. Tip number 3, fix the form and change the colors and add a new page and update the footer. Asks Airo AI Builder to guess at your priority. And if any one of those parts goes wrong, you're redoing the whole thing. Split it up. One focused task per prompt. Get a clean result on each, then move on to the next. Tip 4, if you make Airo AI Builder guess your business name, your prices, your actual services, you'll spend a follow-up prompt correcting the guess. Paste in the real thing instead. Real names and numbers. Right the first time. Tip 5, when a result is close but not quite right, don't repeat your whole original prompt. That just runs the same guesswork again. Name the specific gap. What worked, name what didn't. One small focused correction instead of starting over. Tip 6, and it's the easiest one to forget. If you already know what you want, show it instead of describing it. Take a screenshot of a layout, a color scheme, a section from another site, whatever you're picturing, and drop it right into your prompt along with a quick note on what to take from it. A picture skips a whole round of guessing. This is different from tip 2. That one's about being specific with words. This one is about not needing words at all for the part that's visual. Let's recap those 6 tips. First, use the free tools. Second, be specific, not vague. Third, one focused task per prompt. Fourth, include real content. Fifth, name the gap, don't restart. And sixth, show it, don't just describe it. None of this is about spending less time in Airo AI Builder. It's about spending it on the parts that actually need AI. 6 habits, and every one of them is free to start today. Pick the one that you're the worst at. It's probably one focused task per prompt if you're honest, and try it on your very next edit. If you haven't started to build yet, the link is in the description. Also, come to our Discord. Tell us which tip saved you the most credits. The invite is in the description. Comment which of the 6 you're going to try first. A like will help more builders find this video, and subscribe so you can catch the next one.